Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we will share the details for the Pokémon Café Remix error code 490108800. This error reads, "Unable to connect to the internet. Please check your connection." The error mainly appears when players try to launch the game or access online features. According to our research, this error may occur due to unstable internet, device connectivity issues, or problems with the app cache or system settings. The first thing you should try is to power cycle your internet. Simply turn off your router, then wait for a few minutes, then turn it back on. After that, open the game and see if the error still comes. If restarting your internet didn't help, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot, and see if this resolves the error. If you're on iOS, update your iTunes version first. Then update Café Remix if a new version is available. If the app is already updated, try clearing the app cache from the main screen. Next, disconnect from all networks including Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then reconnect to only one network, either Wi-Fi or mobile, and then open the game. At last, if you still have the error, then make sure you have enough free space on your device. If not, then make some free space and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.